What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty. I hope you are having an amazing day. I certainly know I am. For today's video, we're going to take you on a little drive around of Stonewater here in Cape Coral. I had a request on one of my other Stonewater videos to provide sort of a layout and a drive around if I possibly could. Rushed out there the other day. It was a little overcast, but didn't want to wait for, sunshine. Wanted to get that content out there for the person who requested it. As you're going to see when we're going through the community, there are some spots that are more complete than others. A few streets basically have all of the construction done, and you'll see as we're going through that there are going to be homes in various stages of the build. Some are graded. You might have some that are block, some that are at drywall stage, truss, etc. Also, I threw in a overhead map and some other overhead photos of the community. So check that out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a text or give me a call. My number is 239-823-1685. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's video of Stonewater here in beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. If you have questions about Stonewater, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. My number is 239-823-1685. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next video.